Hello, in this video we're going to show you how to top off your coolant on your 991 911. So let's show you what you're going to need. We have our Porsche coolant that we picked up from Suncoast Porsche Parts. We have a small funnel, some iPro, some paper towels, a flashlight, and some gloves. First step is to open the rear engine lid. And then you're slowly going to lift it up. Make sure the vehicle is leveled. First and foremost, you have to make sure that the car is cool, that it hasn't been running, and you're going to go ahead and you're going to unscrew the cap with this blue symbol. This is our coolant reservoir, and this little red ball that you see is going to tell us where the fluid is at. And as the fluid rises, this ball should move closer to the arrow, closer to the max side. And right now, as you can see, we're closer to the minimum, so let's fill it up. All right, we have our paper towel and we have our coolant, and we're gonna just pour some in here. And then we're gonna stop. All right, if you see, the ball is now close to the middle and we're getting close. We just need a little bit more. And just like that, we are at the right spot as per the owner's manual. If you see the ball, it should be within the range of the arrow. You should not go to the max line. We're gonna go ahead and screw our cap back on. You should hear a click. And just like that, we're done. Thank you for watching. Please press that like button. We appreciate it. You take care and have a great day.